Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to open a demo account right here on Metatrader 5. First of all, you need to download Metatrader 5, and if you did that, it's quite simple, because after that we go right here to File, and then from here we go to Open a new account, and then we select right here Dukkascopy or MetaQuotes. I want to use MetaQuotes, so then we do Next. Select right here, open a demo account to trade virtual money without risk. And then right here, you will find here the page that you need to create your demo account. So right now, fill in your first name, second name, date of birth, your email, your phone number. And then right here, decide how much you want to deposit and decide right here the leverage. Then right now you click here on I agree with the terms and conditions. And then we click right here on Next. Then right now what you need to know is right here they tell you your login and under there your password. And they also send an email to your email address for those information, but you need to carry that information with yourself, because right now if you want to log in, we need to fill in that login and password. So make a picture with your phone or something like that. But this is how you can create a demo account on Metatrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.